Imagine earning up to $400 per day just typing names on the internet. I mean, how cool is it that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? As you can see, entering one page of names earns $15, 5 pages earns $75, and typing 20 pages a day earns $300. The best thing about it is there are no limits. It's also absolutely completely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. To prevent missing out on the sign-up process, which is actually quite challenging, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal Cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal Cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So, watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal Cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. As you can see, we can estimate how much money you can make from this new possibility by utilizing the calculator on this website. Pay attention to the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can get paid per word. In this example, it's 0.5 in US dollars that you type. A typical page contains roughly 300 words. For instance, on page 1, type the name project, and this type the project's name, and on page 2, this type is the project's name, and it appears on the third page. You can get paid simply by entering names on each of these pages. Let me now show you where you may get paid $15 for every 300 words you write on this website. By scrolling down, you can see that there are a total of 300 names, implying that inputting names on this website can earn you $15 and 300 words on every page. This is a terrific money-making opportunity. Consider this. At $15 per page, we can receive up to 20 pages per day, which means you can easily earn $300 or even $400 per day by only typing names on this website. First and foremost, I would like you to visit the website talentdesire.com. Making money online from home without having to invest anything is completely free. To get started, you don't need to invest any money. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice that they provide a variety of work from home options. You have a wide range of options when it comes to jobs, but for the purposes of this video, we'll concentrate on online typing jobs because it's one of the most basic things you can do on this website. It also demands no prior expertise or technical knowledge. Take a look at this now. You can make anything from $13,500 to $27,000 each year. Now, in terms of membership prices, you can see that registration is completely free, and there are no hidden cards either before or after you join. We also don't ask you regarding investment at any point. This is completely free and a global opportunity right now. As you can see, your income varies depending on your position. You can see here that even if you're a beginner, you can actually. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. The first bonus tip is as follows. Simply typing names into a search engine can help you get a higher rate. Please visit ratatype.com, the website. Essentially, the front page of the website where you can take the free typing test. Then it's up to you if you'd like it or not. I'd like you to click on this yellow symbol, which will take you to a website where you can begin typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the typing test so that you can get a typing certificate from this website. You can then get the certificate for free, and you'll need it because it will boost your earnings and earnings rates per page. If you want to earn $15 for each page you type, for example, make sure you acquire the certificate. This is the ultimate secret because you will be accepted much faster and have access to more high-paying and limitless career prospects if you have the certificate to prove to them that you can type. As a result, inputting names will enable you to make $300 to $400 every day. As a result, it's critical that you maintain an eye on the screen to understand how to receive the certificate and complete your Talent Desire document application. When you begin typing on this website, it will determine how many words per minute you can type and whether you have any spelling or typing errors. You can see from this chart that your score should be between 98 and 99%. You may demonstrate both your typing speed and accuracy by completing a typing test and acquiring a certificate from this website, which will quickly raise your payout rate. Don't be concerned if your score falls below 98%. You can return to ratatype.com and take the typing test for free again till your speed and accuracy improves. You can now join up for a free account by scrolling down and clicking on the link right here once you've arrived at a satisfactory result. By providing your name, email address, and password, you can create a free account. So go ahead and click on the yellow sign up button after agreeing to the terms and condition. Then when you scroll down below and click on the certificate, you'll see that it's awarded to your name for typing in English. They'll even show you the ratatype.com signature to verify that the certificate is real. This certificate will be extremely valuable to you. You could be compensated at a much higher rate. When you go down again, you can actually click on this print button right here. But don't be concerned, this can be done on your computer or on your mobile phone. All you have to do is look at your certificate's image and save it as a PDF file. Simply select the state from the drop-down menu. No, once you've obtained the certificate, we'll go back to talentdesire.com so you can begin applying for this position. When you come to the bottom of the page, click the red Apply Now button to be taken to this page where you can start applying for employment. Choose an application. After that, we'll proceed to this page where you can fill out an online application for work at home. By clicking on this red link here, I want you to scroll down and look for this that says fill in your details. Still apply and work with us. And if you can't find the registration page, make sure you view the video again because you can bookmark and save it to your playlist and watch it later. You'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information if you scroll down to the bottom of this page. The first step is to agree to the privacy statement. After that, type your first and last names, as well as your email address, phone numbers, and country, and then press the down arrow. People from all over the world are welcome, including those from India, Nigeria, the UK, the US, and the Philippines. This portion, in addition to other countries, moving on to the next level, is essentially all about your professional information, and it is critical that the majority of individuals get wrong. I'd like you to fill out the entire job title form, making sure you input the job title precisely as it appears below and then select the best time for you. Then exactly here, click the down arrow. You can work at any time, but I do suggest working all day because it will provide you with more possibilities and jobs, allowing you to make more money online. Then here, use the down arrow, choose between a PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit to receive your money. Now, scroll down below to see and choose your current professional status. Once you filled out all the details, click Yes, I've read and accepted the statement above. Just put your full name right here and click on it. Then click on I'm not a robot and click the Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs. It's the one where you can get paid $15 for writing 300 words, and that's just for the first page. The second page will cost another $15, the third page another $15, and so forth. You can earn $15 for each page you type, but you must submit your work on time in order to continue receiving daily jobs. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.